Alright, work on removing the heater core box and the fan assembly. I just took off, takes 4 bolts. Probably didn't have to take it off, well, I could take it off altogether, but I don't know what this is called. But anyway, it's some type of, it directs the air when coming out, and so is mounted like so, like that. So 2 bolts on top and 1 underneath on both sides. It came right off. So I'll get that labeled. And then I'll keep working. Alright, for the heater core. We got all these bolts here on the outside. So we got, let's see here. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'll go from there. I think that's it to remove the outside and also pull the inside out. Alright, got all the nuts off. So, I think I said in previous videos, this has been taken off before, and looks like some of the nuts were missing. So just kind of go over what was here. These washers and this screw was here, and then here was these washers and screw, and then this one here was this little nut and washer. Again there, I'm sorry, right here. And then the one over here was original, so one of these suckers. And then over here in the bottom corner, closer to the engine, it was original nut, Gusto. And then also I'll put tag on it. Also had a ground on it. It's like the ground for the firewall. So I gotta make sure I get that tagged. And this one here was original, and this one here was original. So got 1, 2, 3, 4 originals, and then 5, 6, 7 total. Put there for right now. And hopefully this sucker should kind of pry right off. Let's give it a try live. Okay, well, I don't want to try too hard. Maybe there's something else inside. Suppose I can. Alright. I don't see anything else. Let's take a look inside. So inside, there's this nut here. And then these are the originals. Well, I don't know. So I disconnected the Vader hoses from the heater core, and this is probably, it's got a sealant or a glue or something on there to keep that from coming off. So maybe that didn't come off originally, maybe, but definitely the heater core from the inside came off. Yeah, I think that loosened it up. Okay, all right. So heater core harder than I thought. So I took the front off. Heater core. There was quite a bit of caulking of some sort on here. I don't know why those caulking was used when it was took off, but next time we'll just use nice seal. I did have to use a bar like this to get it off, so I would kind of pound it in and then pound it sideways to cut the caulking off, because I sharpened this so it has sharp edges on all sides. So it's a neat little tool I made. And then on the inside, I was trouble getting it off. That's because the heater core is still attached to the inside. So when you pull it off, unscrew it, and then from the outside, pull it off. So this should just come right out once I get this past the hole. Oh, shoot, there it goes. All right, here we go. So you can see through now. It's off. So that should mostly just drop down. And I have everything already mostly detached. So the whole units, the whole AC, not AC, but all the fan cables and units should just come with it. Oh, I don't have to take this whole crap apart. There you go. There we go. Alright, it is out. So I'll pause it. Alright, there it is. Blah. It needs some cleaning, definitely. Cables are probably still good. A little bit of cleanup. So I'm going to leave this in a single piece, stored away, until I can come back in here later and clean it up. It looks like a clamp or something held that. I don't know what that is. But either way, oh, and then the interior, quick look. It's pulled out. Oh, wow. Okay. So glad I took that off. And so, but padding's got to come out. That's why I'm taking everything off, so I can put the new firewall padding up. It's a little bit of rust. Going on here. Let's get this off. That's not too bad. Blah. Oh, look at that. Look how clean that is back there. Good. Just paint's just flaking off. A little rust here. Right there. And I think that's it. I think I can finally get this quarter panel off now that the... Oh, look at that. Look how easy that comes off. I'll take it off right now. Oh my goodness, so much easier with that off. Yay! What in the world? And more stuff in the other side yet. What in the heck? What's this stuff? Some sanding discs? Oh, that's from years ago when how'd those get in there? Oh my goodness. Oh, this is really full. Much worse than the other one was. Oh, look at all that. The vacuum out. Get this stuff out of here. It is super thick. Oh my goodness. Okay, vacuum this one. Alright. Cool. Lots of progress today. Good. Alright. That's it for this video.